start lighting up, you cannot touch them while they're still lighting up. So you have to wait for them to go dark like this in order to touch them.
But you know, actually, one of them might.
Also, if you have a ball and you are carrying it back to your respawn or just have it in possession at all in your shot, you have to put the ball down exactly where you were shot. So, is that clear? Is anyone have any questions? Nope. Okay. All right. I'm gonna make sure teams are balanced. If you are on red, please get to my left. If you are on green, please go to my right. If you don't have a team, get in the middle.
I'm gonna have to get that picture. I'm gonna bring my phone up later. Alright, Pop's getting my ladder. Give it back. It's mine. You didn't pay for it. We didn't go halfsies. Mine.
Can I borrow it?
This ain't no custody agreement. You don't get it on weekends.
I'll enforce you.
We never were married, bitch.
Yeah, if you go to AIRSOFT, they have a tank line and regulator pack for like $120.
Wait, what? Why didn't you tell me that?
I did tell you that.
No, you
Everyone
didn't.
has been told about the ant flare package. And we'll drop a grenade right here, right now. Don't touch it.
No balls. Wait. Go ahead.
Alright, everyone listen up. Ball set.
Just pull it and put it right in this little tip pocket. Just don't. Oh no, I'd kill somebody. I love it.
Says here you're gay.
Wait, hold still.
I don't use that, don't even know. Ow, you're my fingers! Let me out! Let me out!
Let me out, Dylan.
Oh my god!
You're asking all the retards to get you out of this.
Yeah, why'd you let him on me? You're making this more painful.
Gordon.
Oh,
Gordon.
my arm hurts. Oh, stop pulling upwards. That's what she said.
I need BB.
I'm free. I'm not free.
No, you're not. You're still a long, tight ass piece around you.
Hey, go on, hold still.
No, go away with that then.
This kid better than most rappers. I'm not joking, I think he's like 12.
What the hell is even that?
They were dancing over the just stop sign.
You to make you look like some weird like amalgamated creature, and like you have like two heads sticking out.
You gonna double dip it.
Hold on.
That's not enough.
Damn, that's a lot.
Eat it.
Eat
Fucking do it.
Wait, eat the whole fry.
Oh, Hydra.
Put it around your tongue. Push it in your mouth.
It tastes like medicine, yo.
You say it tastes like Robitussin.
Good luck, buddy.
I'll sit this right here. You got fire. There you go. Need some motivation. You good? How you feeling? You alright? Say something. Talk to us. Huh? I'm good.
I don't think you
I
swallowed.
can't understand what you're saying. What you say? You alright?
Hydra.
You go ahead and camp out. You'll get something to drink if you
I
want.
got 911 on speed dial.
That's a Hispanic in him, bro. I'm telling you.
Hydra.
Can we start touching my shit?
Hydra, how you feeling?
Okay, no reaction though.
What's up? You want some?
How you feeling,
Doing that
Hydro?
shit again?
Oh, you did.
Hydro.
Lip licking. He thinking.
Play outside.
He thinking. He's contemplating.
Don't think about suicide.
Why would you even?
Don't drink soda. Do not. It makes that shit
makes it worse.
80 times worse.
Drink soda.
You know
Do
how cool
not.
it is? I'm telling you, it'll make you feel a lot better.
No. Fuck off, Mike, you dumb prick.
Don't
Sure?
He's feeling it now.
We got ice in
Look
it and
at him, he's
everything.
feeling it now. Yeah.
Yes indeed, yes indeed.
Hey, you want to hold it? You want to hold it?
Yes indeed.
You just had a good meal at McDonald's.
You only got 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, what is it?
Yo, you be that type of person that show up to a fight and just be jumping in front of everybody recording.
Shit, yeah.
Feel the burn.
Feel the burn. Be the burn. Love the burn.
Oh, when you fart,
STDs.
it's like flames. Like,
Hey, shut the fuck up.
it's gonna be like you cut off your. What? You the only one that didn't understand what I said, bro.
I hate
We're nasty to go, buddy. Let us know when you want to tap out.
Police now.
Yo, you gotta talk to us. Yo, what's up? How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? You was just talking. Yo,
He's
what's up?
doing better than me. I was fucking screaming and crying.
Dude,
in his
exactly.
little way.
My first, like, 2 seconds.
I'm good.
Such a job reaction, bro.
Fuck it, I'll do it with him.
Are you fucking nuts?
Open that bitch up.
Cry.
You wanna cry?
It's like it's clearing my sinuses.
That was low
Yeah, that wasn't much.
Yo, watch him drop the fucking.
Yeah, so hit yourself off again.
What?
Top yourself
You got
off.
Oh,
2
no, that
minutes.
was hot. That was so hot. Holy fuck, I don't know how you're doing that.
You only got 2 minutes, Hydro.
Nah, respect, bro.
Top yourself off, man.
2 minutes.
Mad respect for that. My
Already,
Give me your vape before you go. Give me the vape. Give me the vape.
See the vape. Sound like a fiend.
You know, Nick was turning red.
So what you was saying? You said when you was by the barrels, you had jumped. And what you finished telling me the story?
Yeah, tell us how the story went, Hydro.
Hydro, it doesn't matter. Fuck them.
Tell us about the story, bro.
Fuck them.
I didn't hear it.
Minute and 30.
I kept hearing jump. That was it. Jump. Nick's face.
Damn, bro, you get rocked and then you eat spicy shit. How dumb can you be? Eat the ice! Water? Yo, water makes it worse. Don't do that shit. Oh, damn.
Guys, you a fucking comedian, bro.
It, bro.
Yo, so what you was saying? You said you had jumped. And I feel like you
Bro.
explained it.
So look, bro, can you explain to me
Let me
how
stop
you
teasing
feel
you.
kid on
I'll pay it later.
He ain't trying to get none of that shit.
me? Where will all the parties go? I wanna know.
Yo, fucking crying.
Bro, at least he didn't look like Chris.
I don't cry, bro.
Yo, Chris,
My
like,
nose,
huh.
man.
Hey, when did TJ try this? I don't remember TJ.
I can't, nigga.
Oh, you can't?
Yeah.
Oh, you did see that. Jackson, it's time. This is a once a week type of thing.
I
Oh,
already
fuck!
I'm not doing it.
I ain't tried this shit. I ain't tried it either. Fuck that. I'm gonna stay
Give me the green guy.
I'm swerving.
Alright.
Where's my respiratory system?
15 seconds.
My bad.
Yo, his nose is.
Josh didn't come in my mouth.
Pause.
Hard pause. Very hard pause.
There you go. There you go.
Alright, you're good.
Ah!
Duck, 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 duck. Duck, 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 duck. Duck.
Yeah, just carry like that person.
You're a thick boy.
Oh, and then it's gonna hit it.